up, guys? Let me apologize now. Yes, I know it's dark, but I wanted to make a video on the way to work today. I thought it'd be a little lighter by this point, but I waited as long as I could, and before you know it, I'll be at work and it'll be too late and opportunity lost. So the fact that the video is dark is kind of fitting because I'm making a video about the stock market in general being dark. Obviously, the stock market has been down for quite a few months now, after all-time highs. So I wanted to make a video just to tell people to not worry, because I know the majority of people have been waiting for this opportunity. And of course, you know, when the opportunity comes, people tend to get scared and run away and get worried and, you know, be fearful about adding any new money. But let's just let's use history as an example of, you know, what to do. As mentioned, I'm about a year, 13, 14 months into the stock market. I got into the stock market when it was in the bullish run. It's been bullish for quite some time, until maybe September or October, when it started to, drop and never stop dropping. But point being, this is my first experience of a bear market. So, but I'm gonna stay, positive about it. I'm gonna stay confident, because if we go by history, with every big bear market, there's a huge bull run after. And let's just take a look at what's causing this bear market. Right now, it's the interest rates and the trade war, for the most part. The economy's doing well, so as soon as the federal interest rate increases blow over and the trade war is finally settled, which, who knows how long that could take. Could be a while, but regardless, the stock market will jump right back, right back up. I went back and I looked at, the last crash, really, that we had, 2008, 2007, 2008 area. And that year, the market, I believe in 2008, was down 33% for the year over year. And then the next 2 years, 2009, 2010, it went up double digits both years. So if you're buying in the bear market, obviously there's opportunity for huge gains. And if you're a dividend investor like me, then it's a huge, even greater opportunity, because you're never selling. You're just buying and buying and buying. And you're buying good companies that pay dividends. And more than likely, that dividend is either not going to change or will increase. So why not buy the same stocks that you've been buying, except at a discounted rate? You're getting the same dividend, if not more, for a cheaper rate. So your starting yield is a lot better than what it was, quite a few months back. So, instead of jumping and running and hiding away, let's think about this, realistically, and how we can take advantage of this. Because if we look at today, the stock market for the year is down about 5.6%. However, compared to where it is, today versus the high of this year, it's actually down 13%. And I'm not seeing that's going to turn around. I'm not seeing, it's December right now, obviously. I'm not seeing this Santa Claus rally that they always talk about. So I think it's going to go down for quite a few months to go. So these discounted rates, aren't going to stop for a while, unless China, comes around and we get a full agreement on this trade war. And interest rates are what they are. They said they'll increase them twice next year. They increased them 4 times this year, and they already said they'll increase twice next year. I know things can change, but as far as the interest rates go, that's, is what it is. Obviously, the real estate income trusts are getting killed. And the reason is, as interest rates go up, these REITs, as they call them, are a lot less appealing, because their whole thing is, I offer this percent income, on dividends, etc. But if you can get that at your bank or some savings bond, that's a hell of a lot more secure because it's guaranteed by the government. Then most people are going to do that. They're not going to do the REITs. But the way I look at it, the REITs starting yield right now is awesome. Like, to get into real estate investment trusts, I mean, I wouldn't advise doing too many, but I'm in a few, and the ones that I trust, I'm gonna keep buying into them because I trust that they'll survive this, and when all's said and done, they'll live, move on, and in the end, my yield on cost will be awesome. Hopefully one day, 10%, 15%, 20% yields, 10 to 20 years from now. So again, I just wanted to make a video about the stock market, the downturn that's happening right now. Yes, everything's down for the most part, except McDonald's stock for whatever. That McDonald's stock is hanging in there. You can't get in there. But like, if you look at retail in general, they're down. Home Depot, great buying opportunity. Target, great buying opportunity. Johnson & Johnson getting killed with this latest news. REITs in general, and then the stock market in general. Apple getting murdered. Everything, or most everything, is on a better discount than what it was, 3 months ago. That is for sure. So the question is, what are you doing about it? Are you sitting back? Are you waiting? If so, why? Why the hell would you wait? A lot of people say, I'm waiting for the bear market. This is pretty damn bearish to me, but what do I know? I'm only a year into this, and I don't know. I'm jumping in on it. I'm averaging down now, later, forever. So it doesn't matter to me. But right now, I'm gonna, put in a lot more money than I was originally planning on it. If I can, obviously, here and there. We're a broke investor, so we can only put in so much money. So, like I said, hopefully everyone's taking advantage of this opportunity to invest in the companies that they trust, that they think will live on forever, companies that have been through market crashes already, companies that can withstand this, a little bad news here and there. So why not get the deep discount? Why not keep averaging down? Now's the time. So anyway, the sun didn't seem to come out, so this entire video is dark, but hopefully most people just listen for the audio. I know I do, for YouTube at least. So anyway, thanks for tuning in, and I hope to post a nice video tomorrow about the retirement options, because a lot of people, and not enough people, care about retirement. So I want to give the list of options and how they compare. Again, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just a broke-ass investor, and I'm learning about investing and teaching as I go, showing what as I learn. Hopefully we can all get rich together. All right, thanks again for watching. Have fun at work.